Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question where we have to find out the domain and the range of this function. This is quadratic by quadratic, how we should respond, try to understand. First, what you should do the factorization if possible. So, it is x square minus 2x minus x plus 2. X square minus 3x minus x plus 3. So it is x minus 2, x minus 1 upon x minus 3, x minus 1. So it is quadratic by quadratic where there is something common between them. So if I will talk to domain, so x cannot be equal to 1, cannot be equal to 3. X can take anything except 1 and 3. Now think about the range. For range, what we have to do? We have to eliminate first. So this thing gone. We are left with x minus 2 upon x minus 3. So what you have to do? You have to say that the range is minus infinity to plus infinity minus curly braces coefficient of x from the numerator upon coefficient of x from the denominator. So this is the first part. Now you know that 1 you guys have removed. Here for this function 1 becomes the valid input. So you have to remove this 1. So if you will put x as 1, it is minus 1 by minus 2. So it is 1 by 2 that you have to remove. So this is your range, and for domain it is minus infinity to plus infinity minus curly braces 1 and 3. So this is your required domain and range. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.